Hello class, my name is Chris and we're going to be doing a web work problem today from web work homework number 7, problem number 8. Now to start this problem off, what we have to do is we have to use the Wronskian to check whether the functions y1 equals e to the 6x and y2 equals e to the 5x are linearly independent. Now the formula for Wronskian is the determinant of y1, y2, y1 prime, or the derivative of y1 and the derivative of y2. So basically what we're going to do now is to start it off is we're going to go to the next line and input our values. Should just put it down here more, get more room. So our y1, as we can see here, e to the 6x. Our y2 is e to the 5x. Sorry for my bad handwriting. The derivative of e to the 6x is going to be 6 e to the 6x. And our derivative for e to the 5x is going to be 5e to the 5x. From here, we want to find the determinant of these four items. And how we do that basically is when we have a, b, c, d, that to find the determinant of this, it's going to be a times c minus, wait, I put, it's a, b, c, d, sorry. It's going to be a times d minus c times b. Alright, so basically what we get here is e to the 6x times 5e to the 5x minus e to the 5x times 6e to the 6x. Okay, so going forward, we're going to simplify this. Go to the next line. E to the 6x times 5e to the 5x is going to be 5e to, we add the exponents, so it's going to be 11x, 5e to the 11x, minus e to the 5x times 6e to the 6x is going to be 6 e to the 11x. Now from here, it's very simple to solve. You just got to subtract, and this will equal -1 or negative e to the 11x. And that is the solution to our Wronskian. And to see whether our two functions are linearly independent, what needs to happen is for all values of x here, for all values of x we could plug into this, it has to be non-zero. Now if we plug in any number into negative e to the 11x, for every x value it's going to be non-zero. We cannot input an x value here that's going to make this function 0. Therefore, because for any x value we plug in, it's going to be non-zero, these two functions are linearly independent. So, because these functions are linearly independent, because the Wronskian is non-zero for all x values. And this right here is our answer. I hope everybody enjoyed. I hope everyone learned something about Wronskians today. What really trips me up sometimes is the derivatives. So, make sure you get the derivatives right, because if you don't get the derivatives right, then all of the work you do underneath it is just going to be wrong and for nothing. Alright, have a good day, and good luck on the test.